Hi everyone, in this video we'll be looking at question 34 from 2020 HSC Standard Maths exam. This question came from the topic of investments and from compound interest, and it's relatively easier question than what it could have been. So look at question 34. What you're told is that Tina inherits 60,000 and the 60,000 is invested at the rate of 0.5% each month, and immediately after the interest is earned, Tina withdraws $800. Every month there is a withdrawal as well. All of what is written in this paragraph has been given to you as an equation. So this is good, but make sure you do understand how this equation is working, because examiner may not give you this equation and give you only this bit and make you work harder for what you're doing here. Here your life is easy, but to understand what the equation is doing is whatever the value in this period is, what it's saying is that use the value of the last period, multiply it by the interest earned, which is 1.005 in the month, and subtract 800 because she's withdrawing $800. So you iteratively do it every month to get the next month's value. So what's asking is what's the account value after the third withdrawal. So here it's very easy. What we will do is in A1, when it's 1, we'll use A0 because she invested 60,000 at the time 0 at the start. So that would be 60,000 multiplied by 1.005 minus 800, and that would give you 59,500. Now to calculate A2, we need this 59,500 multiplied by 1.005 minus 800, and you will get 58,997.5. What we need is actually A3 because they want it after the third withdrawal. So we do it one more time, 58,997.5, which is A2, multiplied by 1.005 minus 800, and you end up getting 58,492.5. So that would be your answer for part A. Now for part B, it's asking what is the amount of interest earned in the first 3 months. Normally the answer would be the value at the time third month, and you subtract the initial investment, which is 60,000 in this case, right? But here there's additional complexity that she has also withdrawn 800 every month for 3 months. So this value at time 3 is reduced by 800 withdrawal every month. So we take this value here, 58,492.5, 58,492.5. We add back what she has withdrawn. She has withdrawn 800 times 3. She has withdrawn 800 3 times, so $2,400 she has withdrawn, and initial amount was 60,000. So that would give us the value of the interest that's been earned on top. So that would give you 892.5, and that would be your answer for part